Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make a beautiful, one of my favorites, crispy snapper with garlic pepper. And the ingredients you will need for that are as follows: snapper fillet or any whitefish, rice flour, ice, soda water, lime juice, fresh limes, garlic, peppercorns, basil, coriander, Thai fish sauce and oil. So first thing up, I'm going to marinate my fish. A little bit of Thai fish sauce, a little bit of lime juice, some garlic, some pepper, and I'm going to just mix that up like so. Set that on the side to rest while I make my batter. Okay. So, for the batter, rice flour, egg, soda water, just enough to let the batter form into something that coats just the back of your spoon. And if you have a little bit left over, cheers. Right, ice cubes. Really important that this batter is cold. Now for the fish, I'm going to place it inside this plastic bag which has flour, because I want to coat it first with rice flour. This will help it stick to my batter. And it gets it all evenly all over the fish without really dirtying your hands up too much. And there you have it, folks. Right, so placing that in my batter for now. And of course the last thing, the salt to season the batter. Right, if you're using uncontrolled heat for your oil, like not a deep fat fryer or something like that, an open pan, which is very dangerous, and I recommend that you don't do it unless you've got experience of dealing with this. Okay, so how to check if your oil's hot enough? There are a couple of ways, right? So one is to put your chopsticks in, and if they frazzle like so, then your oil should be hot enough. Now the other way is actually just to take one piece of fish and put it in. There you have it. Frazzle, frazzle, frazzle. All right. That's the other way of telling if your batter's ready. Yeah? Well, you may not want to use chopsticks. Just Sherlock showing off here. You want this oil to be very, very hot. This is a real favourite Asian dish of mine. There are different variations of this all throughout the Asian region. Yeah, I like this. I love the combination of the pepper. Yeah, got some in so. And just make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So this is really crisping up. Look at that. Nice, slight golden brown. That's exactly what I want. So I'm going to remove the oil and make sure you use a metal strainer for this. Okay, so fraction of oil, garlic. Don't be shy with the garlic. You want that garlic to just slightly crisp up, and you get that nice aromatic flavour. Smells already wonderful. splashings of black pepper. Now what I'm doing here, I'm using a mixed peppercorn, using 5 different peppers. So white, pink, black, Sichuan, and white, pink, black, Sichuan, and green peppercorns. Right, nice and crispy. Okay, fish. Oh, Thai fish sauce. Sorry, spring onions. Thai fish sauce. Oh, wonderful. I'm so excited to eat this. Basil, yeah. Crispy fried fish with pepper is wonderful on every account. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh. Make sure your partner has some of this, because otherwise you'll be sleeping with the dog tonight. Okay, time to serve. Make sure you get all those little garlic bits in on top of it, yeah. Turn off the gas. Look at that, folks. Nice, tasty, delicious. Put some lime on the side, should you want to have a little bit more of a squirt of lime. Some nice pickings of coriander. And there you have it, folks. Look at that, folks. Look at that. And my official taster today, my little Charlie, my little gastronaut, my connoisseur, and my favourite part. Come. Ooh, garlicky, crispy. I want a fraction more lime on mine, but no. Really wonderful. These are from my Thai cookbook called The Thai Cookbook. Wicked Wild Thailand. The recipes are taken from over 60-70 motorbike trips that I did while living in Thailand, and I explored practically every corner of Thailand on that bike. It was great fun. Met some incredible people along the way, got some great recipes out of it, and also I did a diary at the time, so all the stories are spliced in between the chapters on the book, and some crazy stories about my life living there as a chef, dealing with disgruntled suppliers, death threats, snakes in the office, you name it, it's all in there. Should you like to get a copy, then click on the chef shop icon at the end of the video, and thanks for checking in, folks. I really appreciate it. If you want to subscribe, I've got videos out every week. Click on the icon right here over my shoulder. And before I go, a quick word from Charlie. How was it?
The most best thing.
Most best thing. There you have it, folks. Bon appetit.
Better than the others.